What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to give you guys an updated impression and review of the VPS front resonator delete kit that I recently had installed on my 2018 Audi S5 here. If you guys missed that video or are new to the channel, I'll go ahead and link that in the top right corner of this video. But I've had the kit installed for about a week, maybe 2 weeks now, and I have some updated impressions that I want to share with you guys and include some driving portion as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on started. So as a little refresher as to what I had done, like I said, it's the VPS front resonator delete kit. I kept the stock valves for this system intact, stock cats, stock downpipe. The only thing that is done is just the resonators. And in the last video, I showed you guys the actual, piping that went and replaced the resonators, but they kind of sit right about, from here to here. And like I said before, they delete the first set of resonators. This is different to an X-pipe setup, which is another common kind of basic exhaust modification for these cars. I think the X-pipe deletes the second set of resonators in the exhaust, if I'm not mistaken. And I've read on numerous posts on the forum that the X-pipe causes quite a bit of drone. So I definitely did not want that. And the VPS pipes had a lot of great reviews, so I figured I'd try them out. And for reference, the only other modification I have on the car, performance-wise currently, is the CTS Turbo cold air intake. I'll go ahead and link that video on the top right of the install of that. And the reason I mention that is because I feel like the front res delete with, in combination with the CTS intake here, really makes the turbo wake up. There's a lot of extra noises under the hood. They sound absolutely incredible. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and set the camera up behind the car here and get some revs and exhaust clips while standing still. And then I'll go ahead and switch to the GoPro and we'll go ahead and take it for a quick drive. Okay guys, you join me in the car now just for some regular driving clips here. As a preface for all this, I'm in comfort mode, no dynamic, anything like that. Valves closed, and as you can probably already tell, no noise whatsoever. Hitting a couple downshifts here, you can hear it really starts to wake up just a little bit. Nothing crazy. It's not very loud in the cabin. Hopefully you guys can hear that. There's a bit of turbo noise now, obviously, with the into now is put the GoPro on the rear of the car, and I'll get some dedicated exhaust shots and dynamics so you can really hear how the kit sounds. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the updated impression video of the VPS front resonator delete kit here for the Audi B9, S4, and S5. I really recommend this part if you guys are looking to upgrade the sound on these cars and do it on a budget without paying thousands for a full exhaust system. I'll go ahead and put Tony's email in the description if you want to contact him to get yourselves a pair. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content on this car coming soon. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.